Motors family. This is the 1999 Nissan Elgrand. It boasts of 28,236 original miles. It is powered by the reliable VG33 3.3 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle which features 2 doors along with 1 sliding rear door and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. I did want to point out that this vehicle does come in kilometers, so the number you're seeing down here, 45,444. That is the kilometers. The miles on this vehicle again is 28,236. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of this vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not ever miss out on new videos or deals. Let's drive together. For more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We will be happy to answer any questions that you might have. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.